Там люди є теж.
Які люди, блядь?
Russian disastrous offensive at Avdiivka continues, and Ukraine is making local counterattacks. And by preliminary informations, Ukrainian army managed to take back some areas that were caught with huge Russian sacrifices. And in Avdiivka, we have a diary of a Russian occupier. I don't know what's here, but eliminated soldiers are everywhere. We have more than 200 dead. It's ugly. We have bodies on every fricking corner. All of them in their armor are lying here in burnt heaps. Yesterday we lost 4 tanks, 7 or 8 armored personnel carriers, and not counting how many infantry fighting vehicles there are. And it's all simple on an area of 100 by 100 meters. He also says that out of 30 people, 5 from their group are still alive, and cluster munitions are flying at them.
Не обойтись. Без мата связка слов не будет. Звучать красиво. Короче, дали нам пиздячек. Баня здесь какая-то деревня. Или мини-городок, клуб есть, райцентр. Опа, прилеты пошли.
While Russian telegram channels are claiming there was a breakthrough of the Ukrainian defense line in Avdiivka by the Russian forces, Sergei Tsakotsky, an officer of the 59th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade, bursts their bubble and explains that the footage of spectacular explosions is just Russian equipment getting destroyed before it reaches Ukrainian positions.
А в минулому тижні були такі випадки, коли вони ту ж саму МТЛБ начиняли вибухівкою, набирали швидкість, там вони, і, понятно, якимось чином там блокували цей газ, і після цього випригували на ходу з цієї машини, і машина йшла на нашу позицію. Але вона була тут же знищена, піднімався великий феєрверк, тому все передбачено, нічого нового в цьому нема. До цього були ще такі самі приклади. Техніка, вони вже показали це повномасштабне, скажімо таке, активне штурмування там на початку жовтня місяця Авдіївки. Весь світ бачив, скільки було знищено техніки, і яка б вона не з'являлась, вона буде вся знищена.
Here, Russian tank fired at Ukrainian positions. Then Ukrainian drone hit the tank. The crew fled, even the tank was not destroyed. Trench warfare is not romantic, as some people think. Ukrainian trenches are infested with mices.
Там люди є теж.
Які люди, блядь?
А куди ж ти повезли тебе? Вовки чи
Саму
що?
залупу, там де медведі.
Russia is a third world country. 2 months after landing in a field in Siberia, the passenger plane that suffered a failure is still there. A fence has been built around it, though. Exclusive Union video report from the only prisoner of war camp in Ukraine. About a third of them are former prisoners who fought in the Storm Z penal military units. The prisoners of war work in the camp 6 days a week, assembling furniture and gluing paper bags. For this, they are paid $8 per month, which they spend on drinks and sweets in the camp store. On the territory of the camp, medical care is provided to the wounded, and there is a sports ground where they can come in their free time. Prisoners of war also have access to communication with their relatives by telephone in the presence of a camp employee. This is why Ukraine will win. They hold the moral high ground. Ukrainian soldiers are pushing forward. Repair and modernization of ancient BTR-60 KSHB version. Very decent indeed. The U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin. I came to Kiev today with an important message. The United States stands with Ukraine, and we are going to be with them for the long haul.
Hello, I'm Lloyd Austin, the Secretary of Defense. I'm here on the ground in Kyiv, where I just wrapped up a day of robust discussion with Ukraine's leaders and delivered an important message. The United States stands with Ukraine, and we're going to be with them for the long haul. This fight matters to the free world. The U.S. is always going to be on the side of democracy, and as the Ukrainians continue to show grit and strength in the face of Putin's aggression, we've rallied allies and partners to stand up to Russia and to make progress toward a brighter future, because that's what American leadership is all about. And our resolve is stronger than ever.
German Defense Minister Pistorius announced a new 1.3 billion euros aid package to Ukraine at a joint briefing with the Ukrainian Minister of Defense, Rustem Umerov. 4 Iris-T AD systems, most likely full batteries, 20,000 155mm shells, anti-tank mines, surveillance drones and detection systems, other weapons.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.